Alright, today we're going to talk about macroinvertebrates of southeast Ohio, specifically collecting and identifying and the reasons that we do so. First off, I want to talk about why we collect macroinvertebrates. Some of the reasons are we use them as indicator species to tell if waters are impaired, if our waters are improving, and also to determine aquatic life uses, which we'll talk about a little more later. For personal interest, to look for invasive species, to look for rare, threatened, and endangered species, and because it's fun. I want to talk a little bit about aquatic life uses. Aquatic life uses are categories that are not chemical parameter specific. These aquatic life uses are based on the biology of the streams, and we use the biology to classify the stream segments. There are 5 main aquatic life uses here in the state of Ohio. I'll talk a little bit more about each of those, but the aquatic life uses are exceptional warm water habitat, modified warm water habitat, limited resource, and cold water. Within these attainment statuses, a site or a segment of a site can have full attainment, partial attainment, or non-attainment. A site that is fully attaining its aquatic life use will have all of the biological indicators meeting the criteria. A site that is in partial attainment will have some biological indicators meeting and some not meeting. A site that is in non-attainment will have no of the biological indexes meeting. An exceptional warm water habitat stream is, as it sounds, an exceptional quality. The habitat is there to allow for rare and threatened species, characterized by a high diversity of species, particularly those that are highly intolerant of pollution, as well as rare and threatened species. Warm water habitat is the restoration goal for most streams in Ohio. Streams that are meeting warm water habitat have a typical assemblage of warm water, fish, and macroinvertebrate species. This is the principal restoration target of the majority of our streams in Ohio. Modified warm water habitat is a stream or a stream segment that has been irreversibly modified by humans. This could be a concrete channel. This is also applied to some stream segments that have been highly impacted by acid mine drainage. Limited resource water is similar to modified in that it has been irretrievably altered, will probably never recover, usually very small streams. Many of these streams are in urban areas. Many of them lie in watersheds with a lot of drainage modifications. Cold water habitat is, again, as it sounds, these are streams that are dominated by cold water species that cannot survive in warm water habitats, fish and macroinvertebrates. Most of these species are highly intolerant of pollution as well. This concludes the section about the importance of macroinvertebrate collection.